Configuration of N2300 for type of input signal, range, alarm values and control action and set point value in the case of the controller model is done in Configuration menu. Let's look at the controller model. To enter this menu, press the scroll and the up keys for about 3 seconds. The display will flash. Now release these keys and press the down key. Note the yellow light flashes when in this mode. The first parameter is sense. The input type is determined by selection code found in the manual. For example, code 800 represents a PT100 input signal. Here we have code 810, which represents a PT100 input signal with a range of -127.9 to 537.0 degrees C. The next parameter is the minimum input range, R low. The next, the maximum input range, R high. Here we have the output selection code, in this case 0.211. Let's move back to the manual. This code shows that we have an SSR process control output, we have alarm relay 1 and another alarm relay 2. Back at the controller, the next parameter we have is the legend SPS. This only appears on the controller model. Here we can choose whether we have a single set point, 1, or a dual set point, 2. The choice of set point, SP1 or SP2, can only be selected locally from the front panel on the controller. It is not a remote set point that can be changed over externally, for example by a contact closure or a digital input signal. The next parameter, AL1T. This is the legend for the type of alarm for alarm 1, in this case process low direct. AL2T, that's the legend for the type of alarm for alarm 2. On the controller model we have the legend CNTL, control. This enables us to select the type of control required, PID reverse or direct acting, or on-off reverse or direct acting. There's also the type of tuning, easy or manual tuning. To exit from the configuration mode, display any parameter, for example sense, and then press the up and down keys for 3 seconds. Note the flashing yellow light has gone off and we are back in the normal operation mode. If any of the parameter values had been changed during configuration mode, then dots would appear between the digits when coming out of configuration and back into normal operating mode. Let's have a look at the indicator version. Same procedure. To enter into configuration, the scroll and the up key together, it flashes, then press the down key. Similar thing, sensor, where we choose the input type. Range low, range high. The type of output, in this case an indicator with 2 alarms. And these are the alarms types, AL1 and AL2. Then we're back to the type of input again. Again, to exit, choose a parameter, press the up and down keys together, and we now come back into the normal operation mode.